you click Turn Editing On to start editing your course. You click Add an Activity or Resource, and then you choose Label. Label enables you to add any kind of visible contents directly on the page of your course. So it can be simple text or multimedia contents. You can even use HTML code on this editor to customize your contents. That's very easy to add. You see the content now directly here. Now we are going to explain how to edit. So it offers very good support to edit your contents. This editor, you can make your text bound, you can add the hyperlink, you can add photos, image, video, and audio, and also even manage your files to directly display in the label. Hope this one helps you. I will see you in the next session.